Roxy, Layla, what you doing, babe? Elijah, she's afraid you're gonna run off without her. What you doing?
Say, wait for me, Elijah. Oh, okay.
She's like, oh, he's gone. I'm fine now.
Don't chase her.
You're scaring her, Z.
Oh.
It's a good thing I don't have a staircase at my house.
Yeah, you'd be sitting
She'd be doing this all day long. Roxy, Layla, where are you going? Come back. Where are you going? Come back to me.
Be right back. I'm going to the bathroom.
Hey, you.
Where are you going, Roxy?
Where you going? Here.
Peekaboo, I see you, Roxy.
Can you see me?
I see you too, Jasmine. Peekaboo. Okay, turn around and come back down, Roxy. Come back down now. Come on, Layla.
Let's turn around.
She'll
Don't
be very
pull on her
soft,
leg. Let her do it. She knows how.
Grab. Come on. Grab. Ooh, come on.
She doesn't want your help.
And the other one lived down in Oakville.
Ooh, good stick.